Our mind become homeless because our body is the home of our mind, and the mind left our body here for a long while. He went with his friends such as anger, attachment, and desire, so and so. Those friends would abandon him at the street anytime if their job is done. So now the mind is homeless. He is searching something with anxiety and stress among the garbage, but he cannot find anything there because he don't know what really he wants. And what he wants, it's all about what his friends recommended, not what he really need. So he's wandering even the midnight, the street of the future and the street of the past. He never been here in this moment at home. He always wandering at the future or the past at the street. There's two streets. One is future, and if he turning back, another street that is past. So he always wandering this future and past street. Like this is very similar that Dharamsala trouser market we call Kudong Bazaar. So it's very similar. There's two market, and then if you take around, you will be wandering whole day, whole night. So this way, our mind is wandering at the street, even at the midnight, and the past street and the future street. But he cannot find anything. So the home is here empty, and the mind is become a beggar who wandering at the street, always either future or the past street. So what we should do now, we should call him back at home and ask him drink a cup of tea, a compassion tea, and a wine, a loving and kindness wine, and ask him be relaxed, make his own home, and feel the comfortable of own home, and just ask him to listen the song of quietness here, and ask him to be here for a moment, not as a guest, for as a host. So he would feel that being alive, this home and the host, because we are one, not two. If he left here and he is wandering there, then we become two. We never been one. Just call him back and ask him to be here as a host, and ask him to be know that I'm breathing, I'm alive. We will become automatically a oneness. If the mind don't know that I'm breathing, then who would know? And if the mind don't know that I'm alive, I'm being alive, then who will know? So without knowing that I am being alive, I'm breathing, then almost our body is nothing different from the stone of the roadside. So what we have proved that we are alive, we are totally forgotten. Almost there's no life. Almost there's no breathing. We never know that I'm breathing. We never know that I'm being alive. Because our mind is always running, wandering the street of the past and the future. So, to being really alive, mind must be here in our body, and let him feel being alive, the blessing of that being alive, the precious of life. Everything what happening around here is really a blessing moment. Everything, whatever, everything is with a reason. So ask him, be here and be aware everything around us.